Hi, my name is Justine. Welcome to Open Minded Singing channel and the second episode of my brand new series, Harmony Games. If you want to hear more details, check out the intro to my first video with Shallow, but now, let me remind you what's going on. So, in short, I will show you how to sing each voice in your favorite songs, and you can practice it first with me, then on your own, and finally sing it with other vocal parts. In the description, you will find a table of contents, and you can easily navigate between the parts. You can choose if you want to learn only one voice or all of them. You can also repeat one section as many times as you want to and go to the next one whenever you're ready. And also you can come back to this video at any time and jump straight to the practicing. On the screen you will find the lyrics, the sheet music, and in the top left corner you will find the name of the section to prevent getting lost. Let's go. This time I have something special for you. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's gonna be a theme song from the Friends. I'm a huge fan of this sitcom and I know it's still very popular. The song is called I'll Be There For You and it's sung by a duo, the Rembrandts. Let me show you how it sounds.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Job's a joke you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you. I've been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
First voice, it's a lead vocal, but I think that both vocals are equally important, especially in the chorus. It's quite fast, but don't worry, we'll deal with it. And first, you can sing it with me.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Job's a joke you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
Repeat it until it's settled. And then you can try to sing it alone. If you want to, you can try to reach for the edgy sound. Let me explain. You can sing it more naturally, like this. So no one told you life was gonna be this way. To visualize it, it's more like here. But you can try to push it to the front of your mouth and narrow it so it sounds like this. So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke you broke. So no one told you life was. So no one told you life was. You hear the difference? So now let's try to sing it. Good job! Now let's move to the best part. I will sing that second voice and you can try to sing it with me in harmony. Remember that you start and I will join you in the second line.
Gonna be this way. Job's a joke you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for you. Never been there before. I'll be there for you. You're there for me too.
And again, you can repeat it as many times as you want to, or you can proceed to learn also that second voice.
Gonna be this way. Job's a joke you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you.
Boom! You know how it goes, so now you can sing it on your own. Perfect. Make sure that you feel comfortable and we can sing it together.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Job's a joke you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for you. Never been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
And that's all. Thank you again for singing with me. I'm waiting for your opinions and suggestions. What songs would you like to sing in the future videos? And if you have any further questions, you can hit me up in a comment. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell to get the notification every time I will upload the video. If you want to, you can record yourself as you sing it with this video or with a friend or while you're watching Friends. Just don't forget to tag open-minded singing with hashtag harmony games. If you want to, you can check out my personal account, Justine Sounds, and of course, I will be delighted if you will follow Open-Minded Singing on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.